Hope everybody's having a wonderful summer. Make sure you have fun this summer, but you're gonna have to spend lots of time working on this course. Again, if you're taking Geometry 201 and 202, this weekend you should be finishing up with 201. Make sure you're there. You have to spend a lot of time working to get caught up if you're a little bit behind. You should be spending 5-6 hours a day working, especially if you're behind. So let's get caught up. Let's get ahead so you can start working on 202 and earn the best grade possible. Remember, these grades will go on your transcript. So let's get moving. I wanted to talk about a couple things. If you're going into talking about triangles, remember if you have questions about anything, contact me. But secondly, when you're working on triangles and you're trying to solve problems, make sure you draw pictures, right? So if I have two triangles, and here are my two triangles, and if what is given is these two angles are congruent, and these two sides are congruent, and these sides are congruent, what I'm looking at is to prove congruency, I have two sides and I have an angle. Is the angle between the two sides? Yes, the angle is in between the two sides. So this is side angle side. If you're trying to prove two triangles are congruent, the shortcuts are side, angle, side, angle, side, 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 and angle, angle, side. So these are the four shortcuts. Once you prove two triangles are equal, then all corresponding parts are equal, right? So this is just a shortcut to prove that two triangles are equal. Make sure you always draw diagrams. Draw in, sketch in what is given, and then what can you prove. Okay, so always draw in what's given and then what can you prove. Remember, if I have some kind of quadrilateral and I have a line drawn across, if here's my quadrilateral and this is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2, triangle 1 and triangle 2 share a common side, right? So that is the reflexive property. This side is equal in both triangles. So make sure you can also use that if you're trying to prove congruency. So always draw diagrams and always sketch out your work. If you have questions or concerns, make sure you contact me. I'm here to help. I'm also on Blackboard IM. If you need to contact me on Blackboard IM. So let's really get working so we can get done and so you can start working on 202 and earn the best grade possible. So if you have any questions or concerns, contact me. Have a great